Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make these star earrings, and this is easy to make. Even the beginners can make this. So we just need a couple of things here. Seed beads number 11, I have 2 colors, and 6 pieces of superduo, and 2 bicone 3mm, and I just need a needle and a thread and a hook, earring hook. So okay, let's begin. So first I'm gonna just string these 6 superduo. Okay, 6, and then I'm going to just pass it through again one more time to all these beads. There. Pull. Okay, just like a flower. And then I'll make a 1 knot here. Then again I used to make 3. 1, 2, 3. Then pull. To make it tight, I use this flat nose flyer. Then I'm going to just stick my needle here to the very bottom of the here, you can see. Okay, then pull. Okay, then I guess I can cut my tail now. Okay, so you can see the hole coming out from here, and then we go from here, there. Pick up 3 seed beads. Okay, and then another seed beads there. And I'm going to put 3 seed beads in every in between of these superduo. Okay, this is my last 3 beads. Okay, so from here I'm going to get out of the middle seed bead. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to pick up 8 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's count it first. Okay, it's 8. Then I'm going to stick it to the next middle here, middle seed bead. And I'm going to do it one more time until here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seed beads, and I'm going to put here in the middle, there. Okay, pull. Then 1, 2, we're doing petals. Okay, is it petals? Yeah, I think so. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here again in the middle. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seed beads, and again middle seed bead, then 2 more 8 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, middle, stick it to the middle. There you go. Okay, then it's the last 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, So this is the middle here. So it's 1 and 2. We have to stick it here. Okay, and we go out of, okay, we have to count. So we don't count this one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, because a while ago we put 8 seed beads in every what do you call this, segments here. Okay, so there, and then we pick up 1 seed bead. Okay, we have to get out of this. This is the middle one, the middle seed beads. Then we pass through 4 seed beads, pick up 1 seed bead, pass through here, and out of the middle seed bead. Okay, then pass through 4 seed beads beginning here. Hold on, it's there. Okay, it's 4 seed beads, pick up 1 seed bead, pass it through the 4 seed beads and the middle one. Then pass through 4 seed beads again. Okay, and pick up 1 seed bead, then passing 4 seed beads and the middle one here, then pull, then we pass through here, we pass through 4 seed beads. Okay, pick up 1, pass 4 and the middle one here, and pull. Okay, pass 4 seed beads, 4 seed beads, pick up 1, pass 4 seed beads and go out of the middle. Okay, right from here we have to put this the one inside, this inside. So we can do that like out of this, then pick up 3 seed beads, the purple, and then out on the first seed beads here, out to the middle, there, and out again, last seed bead. Then pick up 3 seed beads. Okay, see? Then out again here. First in the middle. Oh, it's going on there. Okay. Then out on the last seed bead here. Okay, and pick up 3 seed beads again, out from the first and the middle seed beads, out again here, and we're doing this for the next 1 2 3. Okay, I pick up the last 3 beads, the purple, out on the first and middle. Okay, first, middle, and all the way here, all the way to the tip of the okay, there you go. So we have 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So next we're going to put the okay, so it's 1 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, and then 3 and then bicone, then 2. So we have 2 seed beads, 1 bicone, 3 seed beads, a bicone, and 2 seed beads. So we're coming out from here, so we have to stick our needle here. There you go. Then we have to pass through all these seeds again to reinforce. Okay, going back to that middle one. Okay, we're coming out the middle seed beads. Then we pick up 5, 1 2 3 4 5 seed beads, pull, then we pass through the 5 seed beads again to reinforce. Okay, I think here we can make our knots. 1, make it 2, then we pass to the middle. Can one more knot here. We pass here. I guess we can make another knot here before we cut the thread. Okay. Okay, it's done. Oops. It's hard. Okay. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.